Hi student, we are learning in this session about national park. See, have you visited any national park? See, so many national park is there. We have to see the area owned or protected by national government for, see, conservation of plants and animals. We are calling the national park. For example, see, the national park should be a minimum size of the park should be, it is 1,000 hectares. See, we have to see the national park is there. So many national park is there. We have to see this national park is a conservation of, their main aim is a conservation of plants and animals, endangered animals. See, the area owned, so we have to see the area owned and protected by national government, national government for conservation of plants and animals. Here is a conserving the plants and animals. For example, what said here? See, minimum size of the park should be, minimum size of the park should be, national park should be how many acres? Is it 1,000 hectares? 1,000 hectares. It should be 1,000 hectares. Next, sufficient. It is a budget and staff. It should be sufficient budget. Sufficient budget also required, and staff. See, they are working in the staff also. They can maintain the clean and strict rules. They can maintain the cleanliness and strict rules in that national park. What will happen? We have to see the so many members is coming and visiting there. See, what will happen? There is some wild animals also is there. See, we have to keep the rules and regulations, and we have to keep these animals in specific areas. Next, we have to see the national park in Assam and Rajasthan. So, it is a national park is present in the Assam is there, Rajasthan, and national park. So, it is a Rana Thambo. It is present in the Rajasthan. Rana Thambo. Example, Rana Thambo National Park. Is present in the Rajasthan. See, it is present in the Rajasthan. Next, we have to see the sanctuaries. What is the sanctuaries? What is the sanctuaries? See here, sanctuaries. See, area which provide protection to wildlife against the hunting and predations. Area which what say? Area which provide protection to wildlife against hunting and predation. See what said? Area which provide the protection to wildlife. We have to protect. We have to conserve these animals. So many animals is extinct or endangered in our area. See, that's why we have to protect to these animals for hunting and predation. So many members is hunting. See what will happen if hunting the more these animals or plants, what will happen? See, it will be imbalance in our nature. See, that's why we have to completely we have to protect to them. See, completely ban to the hunting these animals or cutting down the forest. See, we have to conserve. See, endangered species protect. See, it is a Bengal tiger. We have to protect. See, this like so many is animals is endangered. Next, we have to see the injury and rehabilitation center. For example, so many animals is getting the injuries. For example, so many animals is climbing the trees, is jumping one tree to another tree. See, that time also it is they are getting the injuries. Sometimes the animals it is a electric shock. See, so many natural calamities. So it is so many these animals is getting the this like injury. See, we have to give to the protection. We have to give to the rehabilitation. That's why we should not injure to them. We should not kill to them. For example, we have to see the at our area there is a snake is there. Snake is there. What will happen? Immediately, who is capturing the snake? They are capturing and releasing in the deep forest. See, this like we have to rehabilitation. We have to provide to them food. We have to provide to them medicines. Because of, see, it is a rehabilitation. We have to conserve these all endangered species. Next, we have to see the wildlife sanctuary and national park. What is the difference is there? Wildlife sanctuary and national park. See, ownership, government or private, individual or organization. See, here we have to learn what is difference between the wildlife sanctuary and national park. Wildlife sanctuary and national park. National park. Okay. See, we have to see the here. First one. What said? It is a ownership, government or private. See, ownership, government or private. See, it should be government or private, individual or organization. Individual, organization. Okay. Next we have to see the national park. Ownership only government. It is under the government only. Only government. Okay. Ownership only government is there. Next we have to see no physical boundary to restricted public access. No physical boundary access to public access to public. Next we have to see the no restricted boundary to restricted access to public access. Next, protect plant, animal and historic objects. Protect plants, animals and historical places or objects. Historical objects. Okay. Next we have to see the here what said primarily protect animals. Primarily protect animals. Next here large with more diversity. Large with more diversity. Large with more diversity. See here wildlife sanctuary and national park. Wildlife sanctuary here owner is a government or private ownership. See individual organization. National park only in the under the it is a government. Next no physical boundaries. There is no physical boundaries also here. See access to public. See here visiting the public. Public is a visiting and it is a primary protection, protect animals and protect plants and animals, historical objects also. We have to it is a protect the historical objects also along with these animals. See large with moderately and see it is a large is there, large with moderate. Protect the plants and animals, historical objects. See this like we have to protect these all animals and see defend boundaries, public access only after the approval. See we have to see so many members, public also coming to visiting this national park. See they have to buy to the ticket. After getting the ticket they can enter in national park. See this like boundaries, public access only after approval. Approval means we are going to the educational tour. See we are visiting some national parks also. See if we visiting, see we can see so many animals and plants also there. Okay. See these are a national parks and wildlife sanctuary also. See we have to visit these sanctuaries and